Hi guys, my name is Callista and today I'm doing a fake blood makeup video, and it's Halloween, so we put some decorations on. So here's what you need: a corn syrup, water, a spoon, a container, food coloring, coffee, and dish soap. So first, we will put the corn syrup in it. Not too much. I think that's enough. Then we'll be putting some water. Okay, now it's time to stir. Whoa, this feels a little bit hard to stir. And blood is not yellow, gold. That's why we're going to be putting in some food coloring. You state 1 drop. See, 1 drop. Good. And then I'm going to do 10 drops of red food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time to mix it. You can see how it's kind of, when you look at the top it looks black, but when you look at the side it looks reddish. When you take it out, it's red. Whoa, red. Now put the lids back on. It's too watery, you can have more.
Do you think it's too watery?
Yeah.
Okay, so add a little more corn syrup.
Not too much. And then we'll be putting some coffee in it to look a little bit more spooky. Not too much. And now we mix again. And so it kind of looks grosser. You can put some coffee in it if you want. You don't need to. Just makes it look gross. So next, we'll be putting in some soap. And the soap is...
Why do we put in dish soap?
So you can wash it off easier. And I only put 1 drop because the soap is blue.
Okay, that should be good.
But you need to mix it slowly or you'll get bubbles. And blood does not have bubbles. Starting to look cool. Look at that effect. This is going to become makeup to make you look like you got hurt, you got scratched, and blood is coming. Look at that. So realistic. And it looks
Now when we add the coffee, it looks like old blood, not new blood. So kind of like zombie blood.
And if we were making a blood in the jar, we'll need lots and mix slowly with this, and use some of this. This will look like blood in a jar.
All right, do you think we're done? Do you want to test it out on your arm? See how it looks?
Sure.
Oh, I think it might need a little more red.
So it's a little bit thin, so we're gonna add more corn syrup. Here we go.
Whoa, okay. That's a lot of corn syrup.
And then lots of red, because it's pink, not red. But it's supposed to be pink.
So the coffee and the soap are both optional. The coffee makes it more like a zombie blood, and the soap makes it more washable off clothes and skin.
Not that much red left. And now,
It's all in the spoon. Yep, stir it up.
so now it looks like on the spoon that there's blood. Ooh, look at that. That looks good.
Now, do you want to try it in your skin again?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
That blood effect. Haha. Now it looks like real blood. Bye, guys.
I'm Batman.